As the plant-based dietitian who's helped thousands of people over almost 20 years completely transform their health, get off of medications, reverse chronic conditions, lose weight, feel amazing, my number one piece of advice is to do what everyone recommends. Eat the minimum servings of 7 to 10 fruits and vegetables every single day. That sounds like a lot, but I'm here to show you it's not so bad. It's really easy. In fact, I'm going to do it all in one meal. So one serving of vegetables is about 1 cup raw or half a cup cooked, and a piece of fruit or about half a cup of fruit. Look how easy it is to get all of those servings in one meal. So here I've got some salad. I've got 2 cups of salad, which I'm going to pour my delicious ranch dressing on top of and make it delicious, because the secret to eating more veggies is a delicious sauce or dressing. And I've baked some sweet potato and then roasted it again so it's really crunchy like wedge fries. I'm going to put my nacho cheese sauce on top. That's another serving right there. And here we've got about almost 2 cups of roasted cauliflower and broccoli, delicious. Then I've got a little side, a little cup or more of a 3-bean chili, which has a ton of vegetables inside as well. And then I'm going to finish it up with an apple and maybe a handful of grapes. That is literally an entire day's worth of 7 to 10 servings of minimum recommended fruits and vegetables a day. How do you like to get your fruits and veggies? Let me know.